Slow down, you move too fast. You got to make the morning last. Just kicking down the cobblestones, looking for fun and feeling groovy. Da 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 da, feeling groovy. Hello lamppost, what you knowin'? I've come to watch your flowers growing. Ain't you got no rhymes for me? Doo-doo-doo, feeling groovy. Da-da-da-da-da-da, feeling groovy. I got no deeds to do, no promises to keep. I'm dappled and drowsy and ready to sleep. Let the morning time drop all its petals on me. Life, I love you, all is groovy.
We're the MonaLisa twins, and we want to say a big thank you for watching this video, and also because we reached 10 million YouTube views today. So we were feeling especially groovy and decided to make this video.
As you can tell,
we're in our studio currently. That's because we're working on our new album, which will be out relatively soon. So if you want to stay informed about pre-orders and release dates, then make sure to join the mailing list. You can find the link up here, or if you're on your phone, it's in the description box as well. And yeah, thanks for sticking with us, and we'll see you hopefully in another video. And say goodbye for now, right? Bye, yeah. Signing out, MonaLisa twins. Goodbye. Bye.
And the beautiful February.